Hi, I'm Rodger Waldron, and this is my second demo for UCOSP working on the review board project. My current task is to switch the file regular expression that matches a default reviewer to a new review request to using a conditions field. As you can see here, we currently have the file regex column as it was prior to my changes. I will demonstrate these being migrated both when editing a default reviewer as well as when applying a new review request. So I'm just going to switch over to my version of the code and demonstrate applying a migration to the database, and going from there. Now we have to apply the evolutions to the database using the evolutions. So we just run manage, evolve, execute, which will run my changes to the database, if I can spell evolve right. If I can spell evolve right. There you go. And then now I just have to start the dev server up again. And now you'll notice that this column here is going to, that column there is going to disappear. And this is going to take a while to load, so I'm just going to cheat a little bit. And save myself some time, hopefully. And be able to show one of the default reviewers having the file regex being placed inside the conditions field. And after that, I'm going to show what happens if you post a new review request to review board. And my laptop is very slow. There you go. Now you can see that the file regular expression column is no longer there because it's no longer needed. And then we should be able to see, folder B have the regular expression being placed instead of being placed in the conditions field. Now I can just post this review request to review board, and it's going to have all the appropriate default reviewers associated with it. And I happen to know link, and we'll be able to see that all the users that are associated with it, all the users that should be associated with this patch will be associated with it. This is a repository I set up to be able to match almost all of the default reviewers I set up using regular expressions. So in theory, all of them except for the ones that had placeholder are going to get matched. The placeholder ones are for using other operators that are provided by the conditions. And as you can see here, all the people that should be matched to this review request are matched. And that's it for my second demo. Thanks.